So I was just about to head home and cook up this this broth I've got going. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. It's late, and I'm dreaming about all the potatoes and carrots and stuff I'm gonna put in this thing. It's really cold right now. Beautiful half moon in the countryside, up in the mountains of Japan. It's just so cool. Actually, this is an artist village here. There's all these artists here, and these two girls about an hour ago, they rolled up and they're uni students, and one was from Oita, which is like way over there, and one was from Tokyo, which was like way over there, and she was down visiting her friend, and they were driving around in this area of what's called Itoshima, and there was like pretty much no one around here, and I noticed them, said hello, blah blah. They came down and we were talking, having chatty poos, and yeah, I showed them around this place, and they really liked it. It's on this catalogue. They told me it turns out this place is in this catalogue of the touristy things. Apparently, some lady here, one of the people. I said I don't know who it is, but after thinking about it, I realised, you know what, I think I do know who it is. A lady that makes her own jewellery and stuff here. She wasn't here today anyways, but I think I realised who they're talking about. There's a lady over there, she's got a loom, and she makes, way over there, she makes antique, she makes kimonos out of this, using this antique loom. And guy over there is a potter, that guy is a potter, that guy is a carpenter, this guy is a carpenter, and that guy over there makes stuff for all kinds of stuff, and just all these dudes that do down there. He repairs antique motorcycles. Guy up there, he sort of does woodworky things. All these interesting people. There's a guy over there. They make furniture, and they've got a gallery. It's great stuff. Yeah, maybe I'm just babbling because I'm becoming delirious from hunger. I got myself working nights and days. And we need to put an extra hour in the day, like make 25 hours a day, something like that. That way I can have a bit more time to get some things done. For my Aussie compatriots, I'm working on getting all this military stuff, World War II, Japanese Imperial Army military stuff, to Australia. In fact, this one here it is, and I put my hand up for that at an auction in the hope that it was something, and it wasn't. Something from the Czech Republic or something. So, but that other stuff, that's the real deal. Anyways, let's get on to this. I'm going to sort this out, and then I'm going home to cook up this broth. My cooking tastes awful, but anyways, this here is a really beautiful Japanese temple bell, bronze Buddhist, awesome sound, and it's got this really interesting design, how it sort of bowls out the way it does. Now it's got age in it, and you can see there's aging in there, but it seems like so there's aging all around it. Taking a close look, but it seems like it's been well looked after. So it's old, but it's been really well looked after. And you can see here there's age in this striker here and nicks and stuff. It's old. I'm going to include halve the portion. I'll end up quartering them, I guess. This beautiful from the Matsu tree incense. Oh, that smells delightful. I smell every single one I send away. That's good stuff. Expensive stuff. Right, that's that. Now, what I will do, I took a picture of this. Generally, with bells or whatever's, if I remember, I add a Buddhisty thing that I've got over there. So, you can see those 4 points there. Beautiful. It's just perfect. I remember this This bell's beautiful, beautiful sound. My camera's garbage. Never will I buy from this company again. Sometimes the mic goes crazy. I'll give it quite a decent strike. You don't ever do that, but... Right. So I took a picture of the one that was on the top. I've got a whole bunch of these Buddhist pictures, and but the idea that actually there's a real beautiful one. The idea is to just grab whichever one's on top, and you receive that. Isn't that wild? Wow, you get that. It's from the National Treasures series, or that says those kanjis must be National Treasures, and Shilizu. Right, you get that too. Okay, there you go. I'm going to send it via Cell Economy Air. I'll sort all that out in the listing. Blah blah. Beautiful piece, really lovely. Look at that cushion, isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful striker. That's great. That's just great. Yeah, I have another bell up that's larger. Got a lot of people on the watch list looking at it. And so, because that thing sounds just fantastic also, and I figure, well, someone's going to get it, and therefore that's a heads up for you that whomever you shall be, get a chance for that. Now, that's it. My day's done. I am going to cook up this broth right now. Okay, there you are. If this does become yours, you'll be very happy. Very happy indeed. I reckon this is cool. Yeah, that's included. Okay, there you are. And thank you very much for following my things. Of late, I've been collecting all kinds of amazing stuff. In fact, I've totally forgotten to put that up at some stage. That's got like a mirror thing, and that's really old, and that thing goes in there, and it's an old dressing thingy, and it's just really unique, and just that's got wow. Yep, that's got some wow. Okay, that's that.